Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So my name is Shrija and for the first time I have come up with a makeover tutorial video in my channel. So till date I have just uploaded dance videos. Those who are regular in my channel, I guess you know that it's not been much time that I have started my channel and have started uploading videos, but till date I have just uploaded dance videos. But today I thought that why don't I share with you all with something different, something interesting as well as something entertaining. So let's not delay it further and let's enjoy it. I hope you all are going to love it. Let's go. So guys, this day we are actually in such a situation that we are in the middle of a dilemma that are we happy in our lives or are we sad? So happy we can say at certain points because we are able to get ample time for ourselves, for our personal growth, for our personal development, as well as we also get that time for our family members and understanding in them in a better way. Because when we are in a packed schedule, we hardly get time to talk to our close ones and understand what they are going through. Or maybe like me, I stay in Kolkata, but my hometown here in Siliguri. So I am here in Siliguri right now, and it's been 5 months I am here. And actually I moved to Kolkata 3 years back, and this is the first time I am staying in my hometown after that for so long. So as there is a good situation that we can actually spend time with the family members, with ourselves, give time to us, and understand our lives properly and understand what we want in a better way. Similarly, we also miss these days our regular day-to-day work, the schedule we were in when this COVID did not hit us. But I hope everything gets better soon, and the vaccines come up very soon and people start moving towards their normal life. But still the situation aren't over yet, so have to be at home. Everybody has to stay safe. Being a girl, I really miss going out, getting decked up and looking good, putting on makeup. So I really miss these things a lot, and I know you people also do miss going out and getting ready. So let it be for any event. I know girls love to get ready, not for anybody but for themselves. So I thought that today why don't I just share with you all a kind of makeover that I like to do for myself. And believe me girls, I am not a professional, I am not a perfectionist in makeup. Just I do whatever works for me, and please don't judge me on that I'm not doing things like the professionals do. And I know there are a lot of YouTubers who share makeover videos and they are just terrific in it, but I just casually wanted to show you that yeah, this is the thing which I like to do for me and this works for me. So if it works for you, then I will be more than happy. But this is the weird way that I love to do my makeover. So just I'll show you how I did this look. So let's go in it, and I'll just meet you after the video. Starting my makeover here guys. So let it be a day or a night makeover. First I like to spray my MAC Prep Plus Prime all over my face. Also moisturizing my lip with my lip balm from Nykaa Cosmetics. Now waiting for the primer to settle down. In this process I also like using a beauty blender to push the primer in my skin, because it is very important guys to properly set the primer before you start your makeup. So next guys, I have taken my MAC Stroke Cream. So guys, actually it acts as an illuminator and also helps give you that radiant subtle glow from your skin. So using now my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to conceal the areas where I need some corrections. Also use a beauty blender to blend the product and make sure you don't leave any harsh lines or any unwanted spots. Time to apply the foundation now, guys. So I am currently using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. I feel it is a great foundation as it settles down in my skin pretty well and also looks very flawless. As it is a light foundation, it also lets my skin breathe. And believe me guys, wearing a kind of foundation which looks plastic on your skin doesn't really make you look very presentable. That's why I like choosing foundation which are of buildable coverage and which can be worn in any kind of events you want to go. Now guys, there's a trick that I personally do for myself. You guys might find it a bit funny. So what I do is I like to slightly apply my red lipstick on my cheeks right after I'm done with my foundation, as I feel it gives me an glowing blushy effect which helps me achieve a fresh look too. This is how I apply it, and this red lipstick is from Nykaa in the shade Mumtaz. Now puffing my compact powder, which is from Maybelline Fit Me range in the shade Light Beige, to set all the liquid and semi-liquid things that I have put on. Taking a shimmery nude brown shade from my MUA eyeshadow palette and am applying it on my upper eyelid. Also, I take a white shade from the same palette to brush it on my brow bone. So now I'm taking my Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Black and I'm tightlining my upper waterline with it. I feel doing this literally helps to pop up our eyes and also helps us get rid of the kind of tired look which we might have because of a lot of pressure or stress. Now taking my Lakme Iconic pen eyeliner and trying to achieve a kind of winged eye look. As you can see me struggle doing that because I normally very rarely use an eyeliner, but I thought it will be appropriate to use an eyeliner for this look. So I hope you will not judge me in this. So guys, this is my favorite part because here I don't have to work much hard. I have to just fill in my eyebrows. I don't need to draw it, as by God's grace I have pretty good eyebrows, and for that I did not tend to buy a separate eyebrow palette for myself. I just use a grey eyeshadow color from my eyeshadow palette. So putting on my blush on, again I will be very honest with you, I don't buy a blush on separately again, as I feel I have that color in my eyeshadow palette and it also works good for me. So I tend to use both two colors, that is a peach color and a light pink color. I mix both the colors and use it as a blush. Girls who have slight small eyes like mine, what I like to do is, girls, I avoid putting kajal on my lower line, on my lower waterline, because kajal tends to make your eyes look smaller. So what I do is, in my case, I take a shimmery shade from my highlighter palette and I brush it on my lower water lid. Then what I am doing here is, I have taken a nude brown shade from my eyeshadow palette and I have brushed it below my lower water lid. Believe me girls, using an eyelash curler is a definite game changer for your eye look, because even I used to just use a mascara and I used to leave it that way, but when I started using an eyelash curler and then applied mascara, I literally saw the difference, how it worked. I feel using this procedure will also not let you think of using an eyelash extension, because I know it is very uncomfortable in certain situations to use eyelash extensions, because eyelash extensions might fall any time if your luck is not favoring you. So guys, here I am highlighting my upper cheekbone and my T-zone with my Makeup Revolution highlight brick palette. So my highlighter palette actually is not in a very good shape. That's why I'm not showing it to you guys, because I know you are going to curse me if you see it. I have used a white shimmery shade again from my highlighter palette to brush it down my eyebrows, as it helps to show the proper gap between my eyebrows and my eyes and helps my eyes look a bit bigger. So previously I have used the same highlighter palette to brush my lower water lid, and now I have used a shimmery shade in the inner corners of my eyes so that it gives me a fresh, warm and brightened look. So here the second coat of the mascara goes. Guys, this is totally optional and it is up to you. If you feel that you need to apply a second coat of mascara in your eyes, you can definitely go for it, or else you can just skip this step. So this is a very common step, guys. Yes, I like putting a lip liner in my lips before I apply a lipstick, because I feel that it helps to enhance my lips more. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention the mascara that I used. It was the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and the lip liner I used was from Maybelline. The shade was Burgundy. So for lipstick, I'm using the Lakme Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Mulberry Feast. So with a traditional outfit, obviously jewelries are a must. Here I'm choosing earrings, which one to wear. After all, I'm getting decked up after so long, so I hope that I chose the right one. Lastly, spraying my MAC Prep Plus Prime all over my face so that all the makeup just sets up. So girls, I know maybe you have started judging me till now that you know what kind of makeup is she doing, what is she doing actually. But yeah girls, actually I do my makeup that way. And one more thing is that I forgot to put one step in my video, that is I applied my moisturizer before my makeup, but I forgot to record it. So I thought just I'll let you know. So this was it, and I hope you all loved it. I really wish that you did. Somewhere in my heart, I really wanted to start a YouTube channel, but after I saw, when I opened a YouTube channel, as a friend of mine, she literally she told me that why you are just sitting right now, and why don't you just go for it. So I thought that yeah, I'll just give it a try. And after I saw the kind of support I started receiving from my friends, as well as the subscribers, the family I have now in YouTube, it's less, but I hope that you'll start liking my contents and I'll start extending my family as well. I really hope I do that. So so this is it. I am really thankful to you guys that you guys are there and are a kind of motivation for me for coming up with new contents. So please stay tuned every Monday and Thursday, because Monday and Thursday my video comes up, and I will wish and I will hope that I come up with more new contents and more interesting contents for you guys. I hope you loved my video. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comment section what kind of contents do you also want me to film for you. So just let me know in the comment section, and I promise that I'll just work on it. So bye for today, and guys, please stay safe. Lots of love. Bye bye.